How can you say you cannot tie a wrap when you can tie something this simple and you look beautiful and elegant to your next event party? Hello, my lovely queens. Let's do this together. So we're using our 3-layer ashoke material. Fold it into two and use your ear tie to hold it together in the middle to create a fun effect. And then take everything to the back and open up the two ends that were folded, and you see, like this. As you open it up, you cross it at the back like this, and then you're going to roll it like you're creating a twist. Roll it inwardly towards your body, and then take those two ends forward just like this. And that same hair tie that you used to hold the fold in front, you use it to hold the two ends together. And guys, that's basically it. I just want it tighter, so I double knot it, like I double the hair tie to hold it in place. And then I bring those two hands from the back to one side of the fan, and then I'm going to be pinning down one side of this fan that we folded, and I just use my pin to hold it in place. Voila, we are done. And you see, it's looking gele already. Okay, guys, so I just opened up that one that is coming from the back to create a full effect, like a rose shape, rose design, small rose design at the side. And you can see it's forming it, but I'm going to pin it in place because that rose is kind of like too big. So I use a pin to secure it to limit the flare of that rose, and you have it, a very nice looking and beautiful gele style that you can rock to your next Owambe party. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Do you like this hair wrap? Will you be giving this a try? Is this something you can rock to your next event party or even to church? Let me know what you think about this airdrop style in the comment section, guys. And thanks for always watching my airdrop tutorial. And thanks for always sharing. Don't forget to share to more people. It is Operation Do It Yourself. And for more elegancy, we're going to add a brooch to the rose part of the gele. And here you have it. A very nice looking airdrop style. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Thanks for sharing. I will see you all in my next tutorial. And if you haven't given me a follow, what are you waiting for? Follow me for more DIY airdrop tutorials. I upload videos like this every day on this page. And if you want the short form, I upload those too every day. So choose which one you would like to watch, short form, long form, that is well detailed.